Hello everyone. In lecture number 4, we have discussed what is a multiplexer, and we had designed a 4x1 multiplexer where the inputs are P, Q, R and S, and the selection lines are A and B, and the output is Y. In this lecture, we will design a 1x4 demultiplexer. So let us first understand what exactly a demultiplexer is. Now in this figure you can see we have one input and multiple outputs, and we have few selection lines or control lines, and this is a block diagram for 1 cross 2 to the power n demultiplexer. So if you will define the demultiplexer, then you can say a demultiplexer is a digital circuit or combinational logic circuit where number of inputs are 1 but number of outputs are multiple, and there are few control lines which controls the flow of input to the output. Now the relation is, if the number of outputs are 2 to the power n, then the number of control lines must be n. Now in this figure we can see the number of input is 1, number of output are 4. This is a block diagram of 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Now as we have 4 number of outputs, it can be written as 2 to the power 2. So 2 number of selection line will be there, A and B. Now look at here, the input will go to P output when the selection line is 0 0 or A complement B complement. The input I will go to Q output when the selection line is 0 1 or A complement B. The input will go to the R output when the selection line is 1 0. The input I will go to the S output when the selection line is AB or 1 1. So this is demultiplexer, 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. So let us move to the DSCH software and design the 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Now this design we have this particular design we did in our last class or in lecture number 4. Let us convert this 4 cross 1 multiplexer to a 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Now we need one input, so let us remove all these inputs. Join all the inputs with a piece of wire and provide a single input. The input is I. Now in 4 cross 1 multiplexer, we have one output. Now we need 4 outputs. And the output we will take from all these AND gates. So remove these OR gates. And connect 4 LEDs at the output. And as per the design, provide the name of the outputs as P, Q, R and S. So you saw here how easily A 4x1 multiplexer can be converted to a 1x4 demultiplexer on DSCH software. Now let us simulate this program or simulate this design. Now the input is 0, 0. Now look at here. When we supplied 1 at the input, it can be seen at the output P. Now provide the second selection line 0, 1. The I input can be seen on Q output. Let us test the third condition 1, 0, and the input I can be seen on R output. And for last selection line, it can be seen on S output. So in this way we can design a 1x4 demultiplexer as well. Thank you very much.